Greenie the grasshopper is a very joy-loving insect. He loved to sing and dance. He spent his whole day in entertaining himself.
Wow! What a beautiful weather! I must enjoy each second of it.
Saying this, he starts humming.
What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. I can sing and dance and nothing bad to say. What a beautiful day, what a beautiful day. Huh?
He spots some ants carrying grains to their home.
What a beautiful day it is. And they are working. Hi friends. Don't you want to enjoy the bliss of nature? Come on, join me in my song and dance.
Oh, you silly creature! You only look bigger than us. I think God has forgotten to give you some sense. Don't you know that in winter we will have the snowfall, wherein the entire place will be covered with snow, and we will get no food to eat. So we are collecting food for those days. Come, you also join us.
You small creature, telling me I have no sense. I think you have no sense to enjoy your life. I can't be silly like you. I want to enjoy today. I can't be worrying for tomorrow. And I don't want to miss such a beautiful day.
Saying this, he starts singing again.
What a beautiful
Ant
day,
does
what
not
a
care for
beautiful
him.
day, what a beautiful
She joins her friends and tells them about Greenie. They all laughed. It continued for some weeks. Greenie would be busy lazing around in the beautiful weather and laugh at ants, and ants would be laughing at Greenie. After some days, the beautiful looking trees started shedding their leaves. Birds also migrated to far off places. Ants went underground. The entire place was covered with snow. No one was seen around. Greenie, who had spent earlier days in singing and dancing, had nothing to eat. His hunger was uncontrollable. The hunger pangs had snatched the happy song from his lips, and instead he broke into a sad song.
Value your time to earn respect. From your life waits for none. It's time and time.
He could not bear his hunger any longer, and he suddenly thought of ants, whom he had seen collecting food grains and storing for these days. He quickly went to them.
Hi friends. I hope you recognize me.
Yeah, so?
I wish I had eased your advice and had stored some food for me for my these days. It's been so many days I haven't eaten. I have no place to live. Can I join your group?
All of them started laughing and tell Greenie,
We have no respect for the creature who does not value time and who does not have the seed to secure his future. Go away from here. You spent your days when you should have been actually walking, but you were dancing and singing. Now also you go and sing. Why have you come to us?
Saying this, ants start laughing more loudly. Grasshopper, upon hearing the remarks of the ants, and he said,
I have learned my lesson that good advice should always be followed and worked upon. But I know my no amount of pleading would melt your heart because I mocked at you all and did not act upon your advice.
Saying this, Grasshopper moves from there and starts saying,
Walk while walk and play while play is the golden rule which no one should forget. And this is what I want to say. I want to say. I want to say.
The moral of the story is, don't waste your time, utilize time.